Some guys asked me like, hey, what should I say if I wanted to like hit on some Hmong girls? And you know, honestly, I'm scared to hit on girls, so I wouldn't be able to tell you, but I can tell you what to say if you get rejected. So like, for example, if you were driving down the road and you saw some Hmong chicks inside the road and you're like, girl, holla, and she looks at you, she's like, what? And you can be like, I said, girl, come on, holla. And then she'll be like, oh yeah, I like a man who works. And you'll be like, yeah. I got the idea for this video the other day when I was pooping. Because I was like pooping and I was thinking about the word chakwa. And I was like, okay, wa is the poop and cha is like release. So I was like sitting there, I was like, release the poop. And it just, I don't know, it just kind of like sparked a fire. So a lot of people think that Hmong is really hard to learn because like one word can mean a million different things, and also because like we have a bunch of different dialects, mainly the ja Hmong ha ja Hmong. Well, Hmong is very close to the Hmong Joa. It's really similar dialect, but the beliefs behind the two are different. Like, I speak Spanish, but I'm not Spanish. I'm Mexican. You could have two single words, and if you combine them, they'll mean something else. This is how you say egg. I. This is how you say bird. No. So bird eggs is no kai. I guess. Even our most basic words can be confusing. You can teach someone Hmong and you'll be like, how do you say stay? Like, nya. How do you say good? Zhong. You'll be like, so how do you say hello? Nya zhong. Like, what? Or when someone's leaving your house, Mongkatoa, like, what? Mongkatoa, go, I come? No, go, come. Like, which one do you want me to do? Another reason why it would be confusing is because if you were just learning Hmong and you're like, hey, I'm gonna tell them to come eat rice, because I just made some rice, and you're gonna be like, hey, luna ma, and then the people are gonna come and they're gonna look at the table and they're just gonna see a bowl of rice, and they're gonna be like, where's the food? You're like, I said luna ma, I didn't say come eat buffet. Like, how do you say face? Like, Juma. But you don't ever want to say face to Hmong people. Like, why? They don't like face. Just don't say it. Your face looks ill. Are you okay? Like, or Hmong sausage, huh? We gotta change that word. We have to come up with a different word for that. We can't be saying that to kids. Like, not everything is hard about Hmong. So like, there are some things that are pretty easy to learn. Like, say, do you want a Pepsi? You say, Kapahal Pepsi. I'm like, okay, how do you say Mountain Dew? Kapahal Pepsi. Or Sprite. Kapahal Pepsi. Okay, how about juice? Kapahal Ju. If you don't know the Hmong word, or if there isn't a Hmong word for it, you just say the word in English, and you just add a sound at the end, like, hey, or hey, let's study anthropology, or okay, so like, my food is done now, so I'm gonna go eat. So, for watching, and yeah, I made this video mainly because people just wanted me to make another one, so hope you guys liked it. Bye. Actually, no, so you guys probably won't learn much from me, but how do you say I'm kidding? Gu minyo, gu minyoing, gu mituing, gu mituing, gu minsaing mesu, no, gu mituing mesu. What am I doing?